In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to full screen Adobe Acrobat. If you want a cleaner, less distracting view of your PDF while you read or present it, this is a quick and simple way to do it. The goal here is to make the document take up as much space as possible by removing the side panels that can crowd the screen. To begin, open Adobe Acrobat and make sure the PDF you're working on is already open. You should be looking at the document inside the Acrobat window before moving on. This makes it easier to confirm that the layout changes are happening correctly as you go. Once your PDF is open, look to the left and right sides of the Acrobat window. In many cases, Adobe Acrobat displays extra side panels with tools, navigation options, comments, or other features. These can be useful when you're editing or reviewing a file, but if your main focus is simply viewing the document in a larger, clearer way, they can take up a lot of space. Next, click the X icons to close the left and right side views of options. As you do this, those panels will disappear from the screen, giving more room to the document itself. If one side closes before the other, that's perfectly fine. Just repeat the same action on the opposite side until both columns are minimized. After closing those side panels, your screen should now show mostly the document with the side columns minimized. At this point, the PDF becomes the main focus of the screen, which creates a much more full screen-like viewing experience inside Adobe Acrobat. This is especially helpful if you're reading a long file, reviewing a report, or sharing your screen during a meeting and want the content to be easier for others to see. If the document still doesn't feel large enough, make sure you've successfully closed both side areas and that the PDF is centered in the viewing space. Even though this process is simple, it can make a big difference in readability and reduce visual clutter. And that's it. By opening your PDF and closing the side option panels on both sides, you can create a cleaner, more expanded document view in Adobe Acrobat in just a few seconds.